Good afternoon. Today we want to look at a conditional combination. Conditional combination. In conditional combination, the following should be noted. 1. If a number of persons must be included in a committee or group, those persons should be subtracted from both arrow and n. If a number of persons must be included, those persons should be subtracted from both arrow and n. Then number 2, if a number of persons must not be included in a committee or group, they should be subtracted from only n. Examples. Number 1, in how many ways can 3 persons be selected from 6 persons if 1 must be selected. If one particular person must be selected. Number 2, in how many ways can 3 persons be selected from 6 persons if 2 particular persons must not be selected. Then number 3, in how many ways can a committee of 3 boys and 5 girls be formed from 5 boys and 7 girls if one particular boy and one and two particular girls must be in the committee. If one particular, so we are going to take the solutions. We are going to take our solutions. Yes, our solutions. We are going to take our solutions. Solution number 1. In how many ways can 3 persons be selected from 6 persons if one particular person must be selected? So if one particular person must be selected, we have 3 minus 1 combination 5 minus 1, which is 3 combination 4. 3 combination 4. So here we give us, we have 5 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1, so it's 5. 4 combination 2. 5 minus 1 combination 3 minus 1, so we have 4 combination 2. So 4 combination 2 becomes 4 factorial, 4 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, which is 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. So this cancel this, then this cancel this. Here we have 6 ways. We have 6 ways. Number 2, in how many ways can 3 persons be selected from 6 if 2 must not? So if 2 must not be in the committee, we have, this time around they will be subtracted from only n. So we have 6 minus 2 combination 3, which is 4 combination 3, 4 factorial, 4 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 1 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. So we have 4 ways. We have 4 ways. We have 4 ways. So number 3, for men, in how many ways can a committee of for boys, can 3 boys? So for boys, we have so we say in how many ways can a committee of 3 boys and 5 girls be formed form 5 boys and 7 girls. So for boys, we have 3 boys from 5 boys if one must be included equals to 5 minus 1 combination 3 minus 1. Here it becomes 4 combination 2, 4 factorial, 4 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. So here is cancel. Here is 6 ways. Here is 6 ways for girls. For girls, we have 5 girls from 7 girls if 2 must be included. So we have 7 minus 2 combination 5 minus 2. So here is 5 combination 3, which is 5 factorial, 5 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. So here 5 factorial over 5 minus over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. So here is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. So this cancel this cancel this. So we have 10 ways. Therefore, the number of ways will become 6 ways times 10 ways, which is equals to 60 ways. So thank you very much. We have come to the end of combination and permutation.